Hello folks, I'm Alex from MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Today I want to introduce to you our feature boat for the month of July. This is a 2018 230 SPX. This is a Sea Ray boat. It's a 23-foot boat. It's the only boat in this size that is actually equipped with a head. This particular boat comes well equipped. It has a Mercury 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower. Also has a Bravo 3 dual propeller drive. It has plenty of room for the family and friends. It is rated for 13 people. As you can see, it's got a lot of room. It is equipped with a select package, so it's got the upgraded vinyl and flooring, as well as the dash. This particular boat has a large bow that can pretty much accommodate about 4 to 5 people, and also has lots of storage, just in-floor storage and underneath the seats. This boat comes with a large bimini that pretty much will give shades to everybody inside the cockpit. Has a nice sun pad in the back, as well as you can lift up the sun pad and accommodate people while you are docking or anchor somewhere and enjoying the kids swimming. Once again, this is a 2018 230 SPX Sea Ray, and it is on sale at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia, so please come by and see us.